crochet wearers, I would like to give some tips on removing that crochet install. I recommend that you cut the hair about 2 inches before you begin cutting out those knots. Look for the visible knots and cut as you see fit. Once you're unable to see any visible knots, start unbraiding the hair. Hopefully remember where the end of the braid is, locate the end of the braid, and start unraveling using a pointy tip comb. Continue this process of removing all the crochet hair using that pointy tip comb and making sure that you are preserving your natural hair. This part of the process takes time and patience, but you have worn your crochet hair for 4 to 6 weeks. Easy breezy crochet hair, so take this time out to be careful. All those that are going through the perm to natural process, it is essential for you to take your time and work through that hair. Remember, the perm hair is weak, the new growth hair is strong. So there is a battle going on, and all the perm hair will definitely lose. So take your time in unraveling the hair. Once you've removed all the crochet hair, I highly recommend that you get a deep conditioner or hot oil treatment prior to your new crochet install. Please keep in mind that once you're wearing your crochet install, that it is really important that you oil your natural hair at least once a week. You will see a big difference in the health of your hair and the whole purpose of wearing protective styling. As you can see, the hair is now washed and conditioned and going through the process of detangling and combing out. I've sectioned off the hair in about 8 sections. This client is going through the transition from perm to natural hair. So the perm hair is usually more tangled than the natural hair. But I am taking my time and separating the hair with my fingers prior to combing through the hair with a comb. This method minimizes hair loss, which of course my client appreciates. Also, in combing out the hair, it is best to comb out the hair from the tip and work your way up to the base. Do not start that comb at the root and work your way down. The opposite is more effective in minimizing hair loss. Ladies, this is a good time for you to observe your natural hair. If your hair appears to be weak, brittle, or dry, you may need to change your product or your routine. Again, your hair should be oiled weekly, and that should be sufficient to maintaining moisturized hair. But if your product is weak, then you may not get the result that you need. Next step in the process, braid that hair down, baste that hair with oil, and it is ready for styling. Okay, ladies, this is why we do what we do. Here we have a natural looking crochet install. Her hair is well protected and oiled for her 4 to 6 weeks wear. This young lady doesn't have to worry about looking fabulous each and every day, whether she's working out, partying. She is ready for every scenario. And look at her. She looks absolutely beautiful.
Love my hair. Oh my God, thank you, girl. So I'll be back again. I'll be back again. So get ready. Let's figure out another style.